Tips and tricks presented by Barkley HQ. We'll go through learning how to set up your reminder messages through Barkley HQ's platform. First, what you want to do is go up to your marketing tab and go in the drop down to hit marketing setup. Here you'll notice there's all different types of messages that can be sent, and we'll go through all those. But first, it's important to understand that you can send two different types of messages through Barkley HQ. Included in your subscription is free email credits. You can send as many emails as you would like. The text credits, or SMS credits, are a paid feature within Barkley HQ. In order to add those text credits to your account, just click this green button here, and it'll take you over to the payment processing system. Now, let's go through the different types of messages within Barkley HQ. So we'll start with booking reminders. Those are the most common. So you can set up, as I mentioned, an email or a text message. So let's jump into this text message reminder, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. So the name of this is booking reminder, and here is the structure of this message that'll be sent. Now you can see these type of symbols here with the name in the middle. Those are, think of them as smart links within your message. So it'll take the name of the pet parent and automatically put it into the message. So all this is done through automation behind the scenes. So in this example, it's showing Jenny Smith has a friendly reminder on December 9th, 2044 at 10 a.m. So you can structure this message and change it however you like, and then you can always look at this message preview. Now it's important to pay attention to how many credits each message is sending out. Now on top of that, you can set up what time frame you want to send that. Most common is 48 hours or 2 days before the actual appointment. That gives them enough time to message you if you have a cancellation policy or they need to reschedule or something like that. Most important is to make sure that you enable the message as well. So that turns on this trigger-based system, and then save it at the end. So you can see now that's set up. One pro tip for you is to go in to do a follow-up. So if your business is looking for reviews, say on Google or Meta or some other platform to solicit reviews from your clients, you can set that up within a text message or an email for your customer. Here, you could put a link right here to your specific Google, review or Meta or what have you. And that'll give you an easy way for your pet parents to be able to give you reviews, obviously helping with search engine optimization. Again, make sure that message is enabled and save that message. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Barkley HQ's support team.